test. So now we are going to connect to our Windows system. So here I am directly connecting. Let me delete the credentials. So I am connecting to my Windows system. Due to some technical issue, I was unable to connect to Aura SID. So I am connecting with CDDM. In Windows, we can start Oracle with Windows SID as well. So I am doing that. So initially, when I log in into system to start the database, I use SQL command, SQL plus / as sysdba. It will connect to SQL prompt. When you see connected to an ideal instance, it means your SAP is your database is. When it shows you connected to ideal instance, the database is not started yet. You have to start. The command to start the database is startup. So once the database starts, we can go to next step. The database start will be in 3 steps. First, it will come from shutdown state to no mount, after that mount, and after that open. So these are the 3 stages it will come now. In Oracle class we will see more about what are these states. So now I can see database is open. Still, if I want to check, I can run a SQL query, select status from v $instance. So it will tell us whether the database status is open or not. If it is open only, you can connect to SAP and you can perform other things. So the database is up, our step 1 is done. Now the step 2, you have to start the listener. So in Windows, you have to go to services and here check with Aura. When you check with Aura, you can see this is the service Aura TNS listener, which run with our Aura SID. And usually when we install, the status, the service startup type will be in manual. So manual in the sense, manually we have to start every time. When we put in automatic, it starts itself. So sometimes we may forget and we have to start. So better way, most of the people will suggest to put automatic. That's why it is running, or else we have to right click and we have to click on start this service. And the step 2 is done. Step 1 DB up, step 2 listener start. Now check the DB connectivity. So when you see this, R3 trans finished with 000, which means the DB is up and running and it is ready to connect with SAP as well. The port connections also fine. Now I can go to step number 4, launching SAP Management Console. So when we launch, you can see here by clicking here, this is DB instance, these two are primary application and ASCS. When you click here, you can see the instance number, and based on this you can identify which one is ASCS, which one is primary application server. Usually if you have multi-application system and a distributed method, ASCS will be in separate host, mostly on database host only. So you can start separately one by one, ASCS and primary application, or you can start directly from here also. It's up to us, depending upon our architecture, depending upon our situation. So anyways, if you start this also, your ASCS will start first. See, ASCS immediately will go to green. So I started it here, I gave a refresh. See, it is in green. Quickly it went to green state. It is in yellow, went to green state. It contained message server and NQ server. So after this, we'll see. We'll do a refresh. See, our SAP is trying to start up. Dispatcher, IGSWD, gateway, ICMan. So you can observe same here as well. Here, dispatcher, IGSWD, gateway, and ICMan. These are all the services you can see here in command level. You can see in Windows in graphical level. That is the difference. Everything is same. So when your all services are green, which means your SAP is up and running. When this dispatcher is green, you can immediately connect to SAP system. Let's create an entry. I'll click on next, and my application server IP is 1.45 192.168.1.45. instance number, I hope it's 05. So 05 ECD, just that's it. Click it. You can connect. See, you are able to connect to ECD. So all are green. If you are in a situation to stop this SAP, so the process is different. You have to get the approvals and all. After that, when you want to stop, the same way you will proceed. Just right click here, all tasks, and stop. So you have, in a situation, you have 3 application servers. This is one, this is ACS, one more is there. You want to stop only one, you can stop like that also, like this. All tasks, stop. Okay, you can stop like this. Once you hit the stop, immediately all these services will go down. Maybe you may have 2 to 3 application servers. You are bringing down only on one application, and your SAP will work with other 2 application servers, but you need this message server up and running. So once I stop this application, currently I'm stopping the another one also. Like I have shown you how to start at a time, how to stop individually. You can do anyway. If you, in your practice session, you can try starting in different types, stopping in also different ways. This is the process how we can stop. But here I stopped only the application, not the database. Again, SQL plus / as sys_tpa. So here see, it is not connected to ideal instance. It is saying connected. That's it. So select status from $instance. So it is in open state. So I want to shut down this. So we have many commands. Shut means it will wait for the commits which are happening, and then it will shut down. So it may take some time. When we want immediate shutdown, we use shut immediate and enter. For SQL queries, you have to put the semicolon here, but these are standard commands of SAP. No need to put semicolon. It will work directly. See, database from open to close and mount to dismount. Now it will go to shutdown. So this is the steps which we follow to stop or start SAP in Windows system. So we'll connect with another video.